how to find incoming call settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find that easy and quick. First open a Truecaller and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and here we'll find settings. Click on it and then click this one here, calling. Here is it. Click on it, scroll down, and here we'll find incoming call settings, and here you can manage it, and that's it. Just manage it and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.